All right, so we're going to talk a minute about turning tables, Adele. This song's in the key of E flat and pretty much just using all primary chord scale stuff. So all the 9 chords that make up 90% of what we hear in 90% of pop tunes. So key of E flat. So we're dealing with 3 flats here. We're going to talk a little bit about the intro. So the intro goes from C minor to A flat to F minor and then back to A flat. But it's got this melody going around where you're gonna put your thumb on C, back and forth there. Okay. And you can just put a fifth on C underneath that. You go 2 rounds to that, and then you can keep the exact same pattern but with an A flat. Now when you go to this F minor, same pattern, but change your top note to a G. And then when you come back to the A flat, that G on top is going to go to an A flat. There's a little melody thing at the end. Come down to the G, and then to the G, C, E flat. Now you could not do that C. You could just go. Just come like that, or if you can get it in there, you can throw the C in there. So here would be the whole thing slowly. Okay, or that might be a little easier to get the transition into the verse. Once we get into the verse, this is all, primary chord scale stuff. So the C minor 7 is going to be E flat. That's a 1/6. E flat over C. You could just do bass notes. Close enough to start a war. So when you get to the A flat major 7, that's going to be it's going to be a 6/4. You're going to have a C minor chord here with the A flat. It's nice to keep these fifths. So close enough to start a war, all that I have. So when you get to this F minor 7, you have an A flat over the F is on the floor, and then you can hold that when you switch back to the A flat. So it's just E flat over C, C minor over A flat over F, and then just hold the A flat and change your bass notes. Repeat. God only knows what we're fighting for. All that I say, you always say no. And then here, when we get to the pre-chorus, I can't keep up with your. You're gonna play this melody. I can't keep up with your turning tables under your thumb. I can't breathe. So that's your melody, and underneath it, you're just gonna put thirds. Single note here, can't breathe. You can do a full B flat chord there. So again, putting just the fifths underneath it. So that's really it. I mean, you could just keep the chords if you didn't want to do all that. You could go, I can't keep up with your turning tables under your thumb. I can't breathe. And then when you get to the chorus, you're back to all this, this same stuff here. I won't let you close enough to hurt me, no. So that's the C minor 7. A flat major 7, we've done all these. Now you're going to a straight E flat. If you wanted to stay like anchors and cradles, you could just go to this, and that would be nice. Hurt me, because that's where the melody is. So you could have again C minor 7. Let you close enough to hurt me, no, I won't rescue you. Just desert me, I can't give you. And then here we're gonna go. What you think you gave me? So So it's this A flat to the E flat to the B flat. But when you play the E flat chord, put the G underneath. What you think you gave me? It's time to say goodbye. Those are quick too. F minor 7 to the E flat, A flat to turning tables, and then here you're right back to the. Right back to that intro part. So that's kind of just a quick little introduction into like one round through all this. You got another verse, pre-chorus, chorus. Then there's a little bridge. There's no new chords, so you could probably work through that too. So if you got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you after Thanksgiving break. All right, talk to you soon.